In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Memberstack with Webflow to manage your website's memberships smoothly. Let's walk through this process step by step, ensuring you'll be set up correctly and ready to offer your users a seamless login and sign-up experience. First things first, you'll need to create an account on the Memberstack website. Head over to their site and complete the sign-up process. This step is straightforward and involves providing your basic information to get started. Once you're logged in, you'll gain access to a user-friendly dashboard where all the magic happens. Take a moment here to familiarize yourself with the dashboard, as it will be your go-to spot for managing your membership activities. Next, within the Memberstack dashboard, you'll want to locate the installation code. This is a key piece of the puzzle because it allows you to connect Memberstack with your Webflow project. To find this, navigate through the settings until you spot the installation code. Take note that Memberstack constantly improves its interface, so items might shift occasionally, but the settings area should always house these important codes. Now, a quick note on Webflow. Keep in mind that custom code is a premium option. This means you'll need to have a paid plan to access the custom code feature. So if you haven't upgraded yet, now is the time to ensure you're on the right plan. It's crucial for integrating these tools. After sorting out your plan, it's time to add the Memberstack script to your Webflow project. Open your Webflow project settings and look for the Custom Code section. Within this section, find the head code area. This is where you'll paste the script you just copied from Memberstack. Be careful and ensure the code is pasted correctly, as missteps here can lead to issues down the line. After pasting, make sure to save and publish your Webflow site to apply the changes. Once your Memberstack script is in place, it's time to create your form elements within Webflow. You'll design your sign-up and login forms directly on your Webflow pages. These forms are how your members will interact with your site, so design them carefully with a user-friendly focus. Think about what information you need from your users and ensure your forms are intuitive and concise. To connect these forms to Memberstack, you need to add specific Memberstack attributes to each form element. For the overall form, as well as the individual email and password fields, careful placement of these attributes is essential for syncing them with Memberstack's functionality. This linking process ensures that the data flows correctly between Webflow and Memberstack. And finally, it's time to create your membership plans and set up content restrictions. Within your Memberstack account, define different membership tiers and decide which content is accessible to each type of member. This gating is crucial for controlling access and ensuring your members enjoy the right content based on their subscription level. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to integrating Memberstack with Webflow. With these tools now connected, you're all set to offer your audience a personalized and secure membership experience. Remember, this setup opens new possibilities for your website, and with just a little creativity, the sky's the limit.